Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. So today we are making this beautiful off shoulder, off sleeve dress, and it's going to have loop design at the back. It's a beautiful style that we are making with this Ankara fabric. So guys, if you're interested to know how we are able to make this style on your own, so I will implore you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end. And don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can also share this tutorial with your friends. Give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from it. You can comment, share, like my tutorial. So we are using Ankara fabric to make this beautiful style. So like I said, if you want to know how to make it on your own, keep on watching this tutorial to the end. And we also have other beautiful styles that we have on this channel. You can also check them out so that you can also learn how to cut them on your own. So this style is a beautiful one and is a trendy style that I also want you to learn how to make it on your own. So let's keep on watching this tutorial to the end. So let's get started now.
So guys, this is the material that we are using to make this Ankara top. So it's the top that we want to make first because it's gown. So we are making the half length first. So it's up shoulder that we are cutting. So what you do, this is how you make your up shoulder when cutting. So this is my length, that is the half length of the upper side that we are making. So it's 16 that I'm marking there now, and what I take out from my tape roll is 4. So that's my half length, that is 16 there. So this is how you fold and cut on your own when making it. It will have a puff sleeve and it will have loop at the back, so it will not have a zip at the back of the top, that is the half length. So my cleavage is 2, so that is the 2 that I'm marking. It will have a V-neck, so that is my V-neck, that is a sweet out V-neck. So this is how you mark it. And to my armhole, I'm giving out 1 inch on it. So this is how you also mark and get your armhole curve. So that is what I'm doing there now. So after that, now we start with our bust measurement now. So my bust measurement that I will mark there now is 32. So that is my 32 that I'm marking on my bust. So after marking your 32, that is the measurement. You now add your sewing allowance. So my sewing allowance that I'm adding is 1.5. So that is my 1.5 for my sewing allowance. So come to the half length, that is where the waistline will be. So that is my waistline. My waistline that I'm having there now is 26. So that is my 26, adding 1 inch on it for the dot. So that is my dot of 1 inch, and adding my sewing allowance. My sewing allowance that I'm adding there is 1.5. So we're done with the measurement, that is the front measurement now. So it's just for us now to connect it together. So from my bust to my waistline is what I'm connecting now together. So this is how you make your own when doing your own, and just watch the video, my tutorials down to the end, and see how we'll come to achieve this style. So I will cut now. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please guys. Always watch my video down to the end, and share it to your friends also, so that they too can learn from it, so that they too can also do it on their own. So I want you guys to be doing all these things that you are watching, seeing me doing, and do it so that you can do it on your own and wear it out. So this is how you do it when making your own. So that is my neckline that I'm cutting now. So after that, now it's just for us now to cut the back side of it now. So remember, it's the front that we are making. So let me open it out for you to see how it is. So can you see how the neck is? So this is how you also cut and make your own when doing your own. So we're done with the front. So now I will use the back. I will cut it, that is the back side of it, using the front to cut. So this is the back. So just what you will do, just for you now to fold it, but I'm not having any zipper allowance at the back of this top that you are making, that is the upper side. So you just fold it the way you fold your front side that when making it. So this is what you will do, because it is a loop that we want to have at the back of this half length top that we are making. Is a gown. So what I'm saying, the top is the upper side now that we are making first. So this is how you cut it. So I'm pointing it out for you now, because the back side will be round neck. So it's a round neck that I will get at the back. So just for me now to have a curve on it. So to bring it down, that the slope is 2 that I'm marking there now. So that's my 2 that I'm marking. So just for you now to curve it, so you get your round neck. So that is how it is now. So this is the back. Remember, it will have a loop, and you will see me doing all of it. So just keep watching and watch it to the end, so that you will see everything that I'm doing here now, and you will get it the way you see me doing, and do it on your own and wear it out. That is, practice it on your own and wear it out. So we're done with that. So that is the back that I'm cutting, using the front to cut it out. So this is how you also make your own. So that is the neck now that I want to cut. You know, the neck is round, so I'm taking away the front side so that I can get that my round neck. So that is it now. So we have done. So that is the armhole. So after that, the next step now is for us now to cut the downside to complete it. So that is the back and the front neck. You can see that I didn't add the zipper allowance, because it will have a loop, it will not have zip at this upper side of it now. So you also see me doing the loop, and you see how it will come out, how to make it. If you have not see how to do this style that we are making, it's a loop one that we are making. So this how it will be. So that is the front that I've done now. So I want to make that loop now. So I'm giving it out by 1 inch. So that is the back one that I'm marking to get that our loop. So it's 1 inch that I'm marking. That is the marking side now. So I'm doing it with my chalk. So this is how you also make your own when doing your own. So after that, now you continue to mark. 1 inch is what I'm using to get the measurement, to get the gap. So that is the 1 inch. So what I marked there is just 7 that I marked, that it will pass with the loop that will use our rope to pass it. So this is what I'm doing there now. So that is what you also do when making your own. So that is the one side of it now. So the second side is the same thing that you mark, and it's 1 inch with the gap. That's what I did there now. So we will now use our line to turn it, so that you will have a neater place on it. So that is the loop that I've cut out, and I've folded it and sewed it out. So I'm using my pin to pin it down to show you how you will do it on your own when making your own. So I've pinned one of it now. So you just arrange it the way you are seeing me arranging it, so that it will be equal on it, while the other side is the same. The other side will be the same, and is 1 inch in between that I use to get it. That is the width between 1 inch is what I use to get it. So now we have done with that. So that is the back side. So this is the rope that we use now to pass it after finishing it. So this is how you get it now. So we come to the downside to complete our gown, because it's a gown that we are making. So what you will do, just for you now to take away from your half length that we already have, that is the half length that we have at the upper side, to get our length now. So that's my length. The actual length that we have here now, that is everything, is 36. So that is my 30 there that I'm having there now. So because you know the upper side is 16, so we are making it 38 for the folding at the downside, and to join from the upper side to this half length of it now. So that's my waist. So my waist is 26, so adding 1 inch on it for the dot, and also adding 1.5 for the sewing allowance, and that is what I've done there now. So now from where you are seeing me putting my tape is where you will get to your hip line. So that's my hip line now. So what I have on my hip line there is 8. That's from the waist to my hip line is 8. So coming to the proper measurement for my hip now is 34. So that's my 34, adding 1.5 inch at the down at the sewing allowance. So that's what I've done there now. So coming to the down side, I will shape it now. So my shaping there is 29. So I want it to be pencil. So after adding that, you add your 1.5 to your sewing allowance, and that's what I'm doing there now. So I want to connect it together now from my waist now to my hip. So that's what you can see me doing, and this is how you also do your own when making your own. Please guys, always subscribe to my channel and watch my channel to the end so that you can learn from it, and also watch other videos that I've done so many videos that you can also watch and learn from it. So this is how you also do it. So this is the front side that we are making to complete our gown. So this is the down side that we are cutting now. So this is how you go about it. It's a pencil gown. Remember, it will have a puff sleeve, and we have already showed you what we are doing at the back side of the upper side that will have a loop. So this is how you go about it when making your own. So just watch every detail that you are seeing me doing here, and you will see that you will get it right. So can you see how the shape is coming out now? Remember, it's a pencil gown that we are making. So this is the front side. So now is the back side that we will lay now and use the front to cut it. So just remember everything that I'm doing now. Now the downside have a zipper side. So that is what I'm pointing out for you, and the width that we are using to get our zipper side is 1.5. So I'm using 1.5 for the allowance for the zipper side. So this is how you also make your own. Remember, the downside have a zipper, so the upper side is loop. We didn't have zip at the upper side. So this is how you also make your own when doing your own. Just for us now to just lay it and cut out. So this is what I want to do. So I'm cutting it out because I've already used my front to do the measurement. So just for us now to cut it out. All the one that we just did now is for us now to have our zipper side of it for the back. So the back side has a zipper side. So I'm opening the zip side of it now, so you can see that. So just for me now to notch to know the upper side and to know where the zip allowance is. So this is what I've done there now. So we'll take to the machine and go and stitch, and before you know, we'll attach it together and it will be ready. So now in the sleeve we have a bob. So this is the elastic that we are using to bob it out. So it will have elastic at the upper side and it will have elastic at the down side, so that it will now be bob. So this is how you go about it. So that is the length. My length there that I'm having there is 13. So the width that I have for the sleeve is 10. So it's not much. I don't want it to be too much, so it will be very flimsy. So this is how it is now. So we'll use the elastic to pass it to get our bob now. So it's the two sleeves that I'm cutting out together now. So this is how it is now. So you fold it. So this is how you now cut and go and join together to stitch together and use your elastic to pass it. So that's what I'm just showing you what to do. So now we'll fix it now because I've already done that. So this is how you also pass your elastic. Before you know, your bob sleeve will be ready, and we are going to attach it to the body of the gown that we are making. Remember, what we are doing is a loop gown that we are making. It's up shoulder that you have a puff sleeve, and that is the puff sleeve that we are passing through with our elastic. So this is how you go about it when making your own. So it's a simple style. Just watch this video to the end and see how it is and do it on your own. So can you see how it is now? The two sleeve is ready. We have puff it out with our elastic. So what we now is just for us now to attach it to the body and it will be ready. So this is the loop now that I'm passing with my rope now. So can you see how it is, how you go about it when passing the loop? Also can you see the way I'm putting it? I'm taking the first one and also to take the other side of it. So can you see what I'm trying to do there? So just look at it, look at what I'm doing there now, and do it on your own when making your own. So this is how it comes out.
Now our off-shoulder puff sleeve fitted dress is ready. That's loop at the back side of it. Very beautiful style. Hope you understood everything that we did here. If you don't understand, please watch this tutorial again so that you can learn how to cut and sew it on your own. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. Please can share this tutorial with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from. It's a beautiful style that we just made now. Please try to practice it after watching it so that you can be confident and able to cut it on your own. You can also check our other tutorials on my channel so that you can also learn how to cut the other styles that we have made already on this channel. So guys, stick to my channel because we have a lot to offer you on this channel. So keep on watching my tutorials to the end. Is another way for you to support this channel to grow. Please, I really want this channel to grow. Please always support us by watching our tutorials to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.